Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 1xBet withdrawal problem. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you will scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Next, all you have to do is to click on your setting icon. Next, you are going to click on security settings, and then first thing you have to do is to check out your phone number. You have to check out if the phone number is activated on your 1xBet. It must be activated for you to be able to withdraw cash from 1xBet. So you have to activate this, and next you can see the security checklist option. This security checklist must at least be at 3 on 6 to be improved for withdrawal. So you must complete at least 3 of this security checklist to be able to withdraw funds. Next, if this still doesn't work, all you have to do is to scroll down and directly to click on clear cache. This will clear the cache and enable you to withdraw your cash. And then if this still doesn't work out, you just have to click on log out of account, and then you have to log in again directly to your account, and the withdrawal option will be brought back. And if this doesn't still work, all you have to do is to make sure that your 1xBet app is updated. So you have to head directly in the App Store and directly update your 1xBet app to enjoy the withdrawal method from 1xBet. And it is as simple as that.